happy Saturday. So today we've just been having like a semi-productive but lazy day. It is so beautiful here in LA right now. It's almost to 90 degrees, but what I love about LA, which was so different from when I lived in DC, is that the humidity is not really here. So it's not that heavy heat that you'd get on the East Coast. It's rather more of a dry heat that, yes, it's obviously hot, but it's just not like making you feel super like lethargic and gross. So it is really nice. Unfortunately, we can't still go to the beaches, on hikes or anything like that. We're just going on a few walks here and there, even though it is pretty hot, so I don't want our dog to be out for too long. I still want to get some rays of sunshine and some fresh air, even though wearing the masks outside have kind of prevented inhaling that fresh air, but that's okay. You know, we got to do what we got to do. If you do hear the AC in the background, it's because it is genuinely so hot here right now, and I can't turn it off, and I know that the audio gets kind of messed up with it on, but just bear with me here. So I did end up getting my Young Living order, and I thought that would be kind of fun to unbox with you guys. And then I really wanted to make these walnut maple scones from Magnolia Table Volume 2. I got that in recently also. I had a gift card, and so I bought the Magnolia Table and then the Baker Mama. Oh my gosh, I love them, and I'm so glad that I found my extra gift card because I was only gonna have to choose between one of the two, and I got both. I have all the ingredients for the scone, so I was like, ooh, this will be fun. And then I think I'm gonna drop some off at my friend's house, social distancing of course, but I'm just gonna give them a little bag because I don't want too many goodies around the house. But I thought it would be fun to kind of bake something today with you guys. I have never made scones before, so will they turn out well? I don't know. We shall see. Let's go unbox this and then we'll get into baking. Here's my Young Living box. You see Young Living on the side here. I'm really excited. I kind of forgot what I ordered. I think it was a few oils. Ooh, yay. I got my Sephora package. Nice. Another haul for you guys. Woo! Let me show you what I got. Here's a little sneak peek of what I got. All right, let's go talk about them and smell these. I've not smelled some of these. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm so excited. I love this stuff. I genuinely love Young Living. Essential oils, ever since I was little, have been a game changer for me. My mom always used to put peppermint on me if I felt like nauseous or sick, and if every time I went on an airplane or a car ride, she'd always give me a little bottle of peppermint. And Ryan used to deal with nausea a lot, and then I introduced him to peppermint, and now he travels always with peppermint oil. So I already have a bunch of oils, as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, the Pamper With Me videos, but I thought I would pick up a few more because I saw some scents that I do not have in my collection, and I just thought it would be fun to have a little something during this time when it's just kind of dreary in the world. And I also really needed, because right now, of course, even more so than ever, we've got to be cleanly, hygienic, no germs in this household. The #1 cleaner of all cleaners is the Thieves Cleaner because it's all natural and it gets the job done. My friend Brandy, she is a Young Living like diehard. She knows everything about this company, ins and outs. She has a whole entire video on how to use your Thieves Cleaner and all the different ways that you can use it. So I will link that up above in a little card so that you can go check it out. It has helped me. It's very helpful if you're kind of new into cleaning without toxic chemicals and you're trying to switch over your standard, you know, traditional stuff you would get at the grocery store over to a more clean and natural way. It's so important to be aware of the things that you breathe because it's going right into your bloodstream and you don't want to have those toxic chemicals. You know, there are a few things that I do find that I still need and I can't find an alternative for, but I heard that the Thieves Cleaner, which I actually never got, which is crazy to me because my friend Brandy was like, girl, you need to get this stuff. It's amazing. This is the concentrate. So all you do is you're going to take some of the concentrate, not all of this, because again, it is a concentrate, which just means that it's more dense in the ingredients that you'll need to put into the water, and that will create a water solution for you so that you can spray it. This says that you can clean on wood, which I didn't know. That's great. Finished surfaces, plastics, fabrics even, to get stains out. This is just like your all-in-one cleaner, and which is nice because I don't want to have so many different cleaners under my sink if one thing can do the job for everything. So I'm so excited to finally use this. I do have a little spray bottle that I can put my concentrate in and spray from there. So I don't know if I've touched on this on my YouTube channel, but I've definitely touched touched on it on my Instagram channel, how I have a lot of trouble going to sleep. I don't know if it's necessarily insomnia, but when my head hits the pillow, I have like 1,000,010 thoughts, which sucks because I'm supposed to go to bed and have all those thoughts during the daytime. But I just like have the most creative mind right when I'm about to go to sleep. So it prevents me from getting quality sleep. So my friend Brandy's mom, who also loves Young Living, told me to check out the Sleep Essence. She told me that once she put this into her sleep routine, that she had started getting really good quality sleep. Focus, hello, we're talking about sleep. We're all fuzzy because it's how my sleep is. Come on, we need clarity. We need clarity here, which hopefully the Sleep Essence will give me. Oh, okay, all right, we're clear now. So the Sleep Essence has lavender, melatonin in it, and vetiver, and those things are really great to calm your nervous system, calm your mind. It says to take this 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed, which is typical with a melatonin supplement. You usually are supposed to take it 30 minutes before you go to bed so that you can slowly unwind and then hit the hay. I will definitely keep you guys updated, of course. And now for the essential oils, let's sniff of these. I don't think I've ever smelled any of these. No, I haven't, so I'm really excited. I have 4 essential oils here. First up is tangerine oil. Usually I put orange oil in most of my blends in the morning because I really love that citrus scent, and it just really feels awakening to me when I have that into my diffuser. So I thought tangerine might be a fun way to switch up my citrus scent. Really not that much of a different scent, I don't think. I mean, I've never smelled it, so let's smell it. Oh, I got some on my lip. It smells like tangerines. It's just like a little bit more pungent, I think, than a natural sweet orange would smell like, but I really like it. I'm super excited. Ryan and I have been loving tangerine juice. If you haven't had it and you go to Trader Joe's, check out the tangerine juice. We're obsessed. Hold on, let me show it to you actually. Tangerine juice. Oh, tangerine juice, you guys. Amazing. Ryan says that it's 100 times better than orange juice. Oh, but it's so good. It's so good. All right, back to oils. The next one we're going to smell is the cedarwood. So I decided to pick up cedarwood because Brandy and her mom were talking about how this was a really great addition to add to your blends, and I never thought it would be. Like, I never saw cedarwood and was like, ooh, I need cedarwood in my life. But I trust their opinions, and I did want to kind of stray away from my typical fruity, citrusy scents that I put in my diffuser, so I thought I would give this a shot. Let's see. Oh wow, she's not wrong, she's not wrong. Oh my gosh, this smells good. It smells like I can't even describe it. It smells like wood, but it smells like almost like a floral citrusy wood. Yes, this was cheap. That is why I decided last minute to add it to my order once I heard them talking about it. I am pumped. I'm gonna put this into my diffuser today. All right, so the next 2 oils are a little bit more expensive, but the fragrance notes in them, I was like, whoop, I need it. I need it in my life. I guess it's not fragrance notes, right? It's essential oil. I don't know the word for it. So I got Inner Child and Awaken. Let's smell Awaken first because I do have on my phone, because it doesn't say on the bottle what is in it. So Awaken you can use topically or aromatically, which means into your diffuser. This is an oil blend, which means within this one bottle there is a bunch of different kinds of oils. So the oils that are in this are coconut oil, ylang ylang, sesame seed oil, sandalwood, citrus, tangerine oil, lemon peel, jasmine, which I absolutely freaking love the smell of jasmine and it's very expensive, lavender, Roman chamomile, which I also love and which is also very expensive, blue cypress, lime, rose, grapefruit, spearmint. So many just different oils that I absolutely love in this one. So I just had to have it and I'm so excited to smell it. Please smell good. Please, please, please. It's really nice, but it's not what I was expecting it would smell like. Wow, okay. To me, this smells a lot more like a spearmint cool scent. To me, I thought was gonna be a floral smelling scent. I really like it. I mean, this is gonna be great, just it was not what I was expecting. But it definitely is an awakening scent because of that spearmint, and it almost smells like there's eucalyptus in here. There are so many other oils, I just didn't read them all. So it's gonna be interesting to see if the Inner Child is gonna be like a florally citrusy scent, because that's what I thought what I was gonna get out of this one. And I kind of ordered this one because I had the same feel, because there's like tangerine and stuff in here and floral stuff. So I don't know, we'll see. Inner Child has orange peel, tangerine, ylang ylang, sandalwood, jasmine, lemongrass, spruce, and bitter orange. So to me, I'm thinking this is a floral orange, but who knows? You can't tell until you smell it, right? I'm excited for this one. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Spot on, floral, citrusy, really good. Oh, you smell the jasmine. You smell the jasmine. The other one you did not smell the jasmine in, and I was not for that, but it does smell good. It's just like not what I was expecting. If there's rose and jasmine in it, I want to smell it if I'm paying for it. Oh, this is good. This is really good. This is what I wanted. Perfect. Inner child, you are a winner in my books. Okay, so that is it for my little Young Living haul. I'm going to go put this stuff away, and then we're going to start baking. Oh, do we have a laundry Stormy? Do we have a laundry Stormy? You always lay on our laundry, don't ya? Is it comfy cozy over here with the laundry? Oh, why do I talk to you like you're a little baby? Boo. The heart-shaped scones didn't go as planned, but time to taste test. So I'm going to take a little bit of the corner. They smell delicious. And let's see how they taste. Here it is. Oh, those are good. Those are good. Wow. I'm impressed with myself. Oh my gosh, those are actually amazing. And I can see how you could add in maybe some fruit, but the texture from the walnuts is perfection. I love texture when it comes to my chocolate chip cookies, scones. This is good. And then the extra little scrumptious, and then you have that little icing that's on top that adds this extra sweetness to the already sweet base. But yeah, if you have never made scones before, especially Magnolia table scones, I would highly recommend picking up this cookbook or just googling some kind of scone recipe. It was super easy and quick. So I'm gonna go drop some of these off at my friend's house. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul and cook with me video, well, bake with me video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.